All right, so make sure you got your paper. If you have a bowl or something round to trace that with your pencil. So I have this right in the middle, so I don't want it too far off because then I'm going to miss a whole spot. I want it in the middle. I want to make sure it fills most of my page, and I'm going to just trace around because we're going to make a circular artwork today. So I have my circle traced. If you don't have something to trace, no big deal. You can just trace it, draw a circle on your own. So let's talk about a silhouette real quick. A silhouette is when you have an object that appears darker in the front because the light's from behind. So when it's just the basic outline, whether it's a person, a landscape, you don't really see much detail, you just see black against a bright background. So pick where you want your ground, your horizon line. So you can make it straight, you can make it a little bumpy. So I'm just going to draw a line left to right across my circle. And I'm just going to outline here so you can see the bottom. And we will color this all in black. But now let's draw, you can draw trees, you can draw like low mountains or hills. Even if you wanted to draw a little animal, you would just draw the shape and then color it in all black. Colors, again, it does not matter if you have markers or crayons, both will be great, or color pencils. So for your Aurora Borealis, you just can create kind of wavy lines in the sky. I'm going to start with my bright green because that's what we saw the most of. So you can make think of like a ribbon just dancing in the sky. I like it to be lots of green. Green is one of my favorite colors. Then you can color it in. So you just kind of think of your ribbon, and then you can get another color to follow that ribbon. I mean, there's no right or wrong way to make your aurora. So we're making the northern lights. You know, they are up north, so near the North Pole. Good. So when you do finish your aurora in the sky, you can just use like a dark blue or mix dark blue and black, because I have a done example. So that way you fill in the rest of your night sky, because they can only be seen at nighttime. So let's not leave it too white. So I'm going to actually color in a moment once I get some of my other colors on. So we said there was purple. And then I'm just going to get, because I can color faster and a little neater, I found a darker blue. You can use any blue, but a dark or regular blue would be best, because the Aurora Borealis can only be seen at night. So you do want to create a nighttime scene. I'm going to color a little outside my circle because we're going to cut them out. And then go right on top of your silhouette, unless you need to add anything. I think I want another tree right here. So I'm just going to go over it with a little bit of black to make my sky even darker, and it'll make my green aurora kind of even look brighter. Then whenever you're happy with it, it's time to cut it out. Okay, so you're just going to carefully cut around. So we have Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights silhouette.